In 2020, Uniswap decentralized trade was at the focal point of the promotion around decentralized finance. The stage sent off its local digital money, Uniswap, in September 2020. The symbolics cost blast. And in 2 or 3 days, Uni previously was in the main 40 digital forms of money by market capitalization. What is the fate of Uni digital currency? And what is a potential Uniswap cost expectation? Figure out in this video. What is Uniswap? Uniswap decentralized trade was at first delivered in November 2018. The stage is a DApp in view of the Ethereum blockchain, which empowers the trading of Ether to an assortment of ERC20 tokens. Uniswap boosts liquidity suppliers by giving them commission expenses. Uniswap cryptographic money was sent off in 2020 and presently is utilized for casting of ballot rights, basic turns of events, and so on. Uni is an ERC20 token recorded on Binance, Huobi Worldwide, Kraken, Crypto.com, and different trades. In 2021, the Uni token began its presentation stunningly, alongside the entire digital money market. In January, Uni's cost was just $5, and before the month's over, this figure moved to $20. The symbolic cost came to the $30 point as of now toward the finish of February. You can follow the Uniswap cost changes live in the gadget underneath. For what reason did the Uniswap project blast a year ago? As a matter of some importance, reasons are the stage's ease of use and incorporation with the MetaMask wallet. In addition, the clients are in full control of their confidential keys. The other DES points of interaction were not so instinctive as the Uniswaps. So a robotized market producer has a publicly released code. There is no structure book or any middle people. That is the reason this decentralized stage makes the course of trade smooth and simple. Uniswap depends on the AMM framework. Liquidity is made by pools with ERC20 tokens. Liquidity suppliers charge a commission on each trade. These expenses are diverted to the pool's hold store. Uni holders get 0.05% on each commission, while liquidity suppliers get the leftover 0.25%. Uniswap isn't the main undertaking with AMM, yet it most certainly promoted the advancement of this heading, because of which other comparative conventions started to show up. Uniswap is a critical gas provider on the Ethereum network because of the various exchange charges in this convention. Be that as it may, it turned into an issue of late. The Ethereum convention expenses became colossal. However, the Ethereum group has previously been searching for an answer for the versatility issue. Uniswap value expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Uniswap costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Uniswap will be $9.07. The greatest level that the Uni cost can reach is $10.99. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $9.39. Possible return on initial capital investment, 79.6% by Uni value estimate for January 2023 in view of the value variances of Uniswap toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical Uni pace of $6.85 in January 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $6.20 and at $7.05. Separately, possible return for money invested, 15.2% by February 2023. Uniswap value estimate digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the Uni cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $6.66, while the most extreme could reach $7.39 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Uniswap may be around $6.99. Expected return on initial capital investment, 20.8% by Uni value conjecture for WALC 2023. Crypto examiners have actually looked at the value variances of Uniswap in 2022 and in earlier years. So the normal Uni rate they anticipate may be around $7.20 in WALC 2023. It can drop to $6.94 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $7.74. Likely return for money invested, 26.5% by April 2023. Uniswap value estimate around mid-year 2022. The Uni cost will be exchanged at $7.34 overall. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Uniswap worth to $8.03. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $7.02 in April 2023. Likely return for money invested, 31.2% by Uni value figure for May 2023. Crypto specialists have examined Uniswap costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, $7.49. The least and pinnacle Uni rates may be $7.23 and $8.32. Possible return for capital invested, 35.9% by June 2023. Uniswap value gauge. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the uni cost will be around $7.79. In June 2023, the Uniswap cost might drop to at least $7.46. The normal pinnacle worth may be $8.70 in June 2023. Likely return for money invested. 42.2% by Uni value estimate for July 2023. Having dissected Uniswap costs, digital currency specialists expect that the Uni rate could arrive at a limit of $9.01 in July 2023. It may, in any case, drop to $7.78. For July 2023, the determined normal of Uniswap is almost $8.10. Possible return for money invested. 47.2% by August 2023. Uniswap value figure around mid-2022. The Uniswap cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $8.35. Crypto examiners expect that in August 2023, the Uni cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $8.02 and $9.33. Likely return for capital invested. 52.5% by Uni value figure for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Uniswap worth won't dip under at least $8.19. The most extreme pinnacle expected for this present month is $9.67. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $8.51. Expected return on initial capital investment. 58% by October 2023. Uniswap value estimate. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of Uni costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their gauge is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Uniswap will be around $10.09, with a chance of dropping to at least $8.53. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $8.85. Possible return for money invested. 64.9% by Uni value gauge for November 2023. In light of the value variances of Uniswap toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Uni pace of $9.12 in November 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $8.79 and at $10.54 individually. Expected return on initial capital investment. 72.2% by December 2023. Uniswap value conjecture. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to report their gauge for the Uni cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $9.07, while the most extreme could reach $10.99 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Uniswap may be around $9.39. Expected return for capital invested. 79.6% by Uniswap value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Uniswap in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Uniswap will be around $13.05. The greatest expected Uni cost might be around $15.61. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $13.52 in 2024. Uniswap value expectation 2025. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Uniswap in 2020,